What up, what up? Got these gray hairs coming in. Y'all know life getting stressful at this stage. I'm gonna show y'all and talk about pricing of complete jobs when you're not truly going by the hour, what you can run into. We talked about this on a live about a week ago. It's it's a first of the year now. It's actually just second. I want to show y'all a lot of stuff you can run into, and then you got to have the right customers to where, hey, look at this now. I know I told you this, what we gonna do? That way you don't get stuck with a job. That's why a lot of shops and people ask, man, how do people get stuck in a job? How do cars get stuck in a shop? A lot of people don't. You tell a guy 8,000 paint his car, and you run into, hey, it need new quarters. It's too rusted down. We got it the bare metal. It's this, it's that. And people know you said this. Now guess what the shop do? Push it to the side, stick it in the back, and because they really don't want to bother with it. They might work on it solely on their own time, but it's different when you know that money's coming in when it's done, or them payments coming in. You on the same page. That's why communication is good on both sides, and I learned that over the last few years, trying to be upfront as possible. Hey, it could be some changes. If you got a customer who don't sound like they sure about, hey, I don't want no changes, don't deal with them. Just don't deal with them. So I'm gonna jump right into this car. I'm gonna show you something.
Perry been shooting.
Got a 70 Impala. As you see, we don't got it down on the metal. Look, like me preferably. Look at this quarters. Look, these are new quarters. Look how they was put on. That mean all that body work got to be feathered into here, or I need to cut this down and get that lower. I preferably like my quarters butted up perfect to where I'm doing less body work versus overlap, or do it inside the seam. Got the door handles off today. Look at that. All this is Bondo. All this is where your door handle going is this bad. That really need a door skin. Look at the quarter cracking here. Now we got to get a new hood. Look at that. You don't fix hoods like this. You already had bad dent repair, which we could have took care of that. But this, no. You get it all. Somebody took the original trim off. That's why paint jobs cost. I mean, this is a big paint job. This is not your standard, get it done fast. You got to debate on here. It's all smack. How do you got a new quarter? I guess it got wrecked after the new quarter. I'm pretty sure we're going to have the same issue on this door. Look how thick that Bondo is right there. But this is a good customer. We already talked today about ordering a new hood. He's on it. You have no problem getting a new hood. He want it done right. He's not in a super rush. These are customers you want. That's the level we've reached to be able to, hey, let's be on the same page about the work we're doing so we can put a good product out and stand on it. But we'll keep it tuned. I'll probably drop in. I'm actually gonna go to the other building. I'm gonna let y'all in on the
Perry been shooting.
Lost a lot to the streets, still in the hustling. A generation when I flush. Let them think it's sweet, like a candy paint. Made me call it D-Town custom. I talk, but they ain't saying nothing. You know it's game on when the hoes out. 10 years in the shit, nigga want some more. Now fuck all that plan and bring all the wits out. Yeah, the cars are closed, the cash in the hoes.